Hello viewers, welcome to the brand new episode in Gardening is My Love. Today I have the pleasure to introduce to you Amrutha balli and tell you about the health benefits of this magical wonder herb, Giloy, Amrutha balli, Guduchi in Sanskrit. If you are looking for a herb that will treat most of your health problems, it is Amrutha balli. Amrutha balli is clearly a herb with a myriad of potent medicinal qualities. It's highly valued in Ayurveda for its detoxifying, rejuvenating, immune boosting, and anti-rheumatic properties. It's a miraculous ancient herb with amazing medicinal values and health benefits. The scientific name of Amrutha balli is Tinospora cordifolia. This herb is known as Giloy in Hindi, Guduchi in Sanskrit as I said earlier, and Amrutha balli in Kannada. The name Amrutha literally means the elixir of immortality, never die. Balli means creeper. True to its name, Amrutha balli grows in a creeper form with elongated twinning branches spreading extensively. It has heart-shaped leaves which grow in abundance. These leaves have mild bitter flavor and be consumed raw. This plant can be easily cultivated by stem cutting obtained from an older stem. Stem with a node can be directly sown in a pot just after cutting from the mother plant. It's quite easy to propagate. Even if a twig is placed on the branch of a tree, it establishes itself as a giant climber in a couple of years. We are mostly introduced to these magical herbs by our parents and grandparents. In many such visits, when we visit our villages, we see our grandmothers preparing kada, kasaya from Amrutha balli and consume them, and we feel better. It is our duty that we forward these recipes to our children and our grandchildren so that these herbs become popular all across our country. Now, let me bring before you the magical health benefits of Amrutha balli in detail. Firstly and foremost, it helps boost immunity. The leaves, stems protect the body against various forms of toxins and are very useful in flushing them out. Secondly, it helps to treat recurrent fevers. So recurrent fevers are the current problems due to the spreading of coronavirus. Take 2 tablespoons of juice extracted from churning the fresh stems of Amrutha balli plant. Mix it with honey. Consume 3 times daily on empty stomach. It helps treat recurrent fevers. Thirdly, it improves digestion. Amrutha balli juice taken along with buttermilk can take care of your digestive system. It treats diabetes. Consuming 1 leaf per day on an empty stomach is recommended for diabetic patients. I advise you to have Amrutha balli creeper in your neighborhood, in your terrace garden, so that you can pluck the leaves and take it on an empty stomach daily. It reduces stress and anxiety. In the current generation, stress and anxiety has become a perennial problem. So consume Amrutha balli, kada or kasaya so it can reduce your stress and anxiety related problems. It removes suntan. Blend 1 ripe tomato with 4 large Amrutha balli leaves. Take a spoonful of this paste and 2-3 drops of honey along with it. Mix it well. Apply it on the face. Make a face mask and wash it with clean water after 20 minutes. Next, it helps to reduce the respiratory problems. And it treats arthritis. It can be used along with ginger to treat rheumatoid arthritis. Next, Amrutha balli reduces asthmatic symptoms. It improves vision. Boiling 1 inch long stems of Amrutha balli in water, letting it cool down and applying it all over the eyelid helps improving your vision. It reduces signs of aging. Now let me bring a note of caution. Amrutha balli churna or powder is good for diabetes, but it is best to be consumed under medical supervision, as it might lower the blood sugar level significantly. And also it is better to avoid consuming Amrutha balli by pregnant and feeding mothers, as it may cause constipation for some people. So as I introduce this magical herb Amrutha balli, it is my duty to tell all the viewers that it might help you in some day or other to fight fevers, to fight lot of health related problems. Understand the magical benefits of this wonderful plant. And also in my next video I bring before you the recipe of making Amrutha balli kasaya. So always keep smiling, spread happiness around, plant lot of plants in your terrace garden, balcony, all surrounding your houses, so that the flowers and the plants may bring happiness around your house. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.